Hi, I'm Jordan. I was very competitive in jump rope and I love to dance. I make all kinds of tutorials for you to learn everything I am passionate about so you can be great. I created my dream business as a fitness professional. Follow me through my travels of life and fitness.
Hi guys, it's Jumpy Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you different kinds of ropes and what they're used for. So we're going to start with this rope right here. This is a beaded rope. And I get all of my jump ropes from buyjumpropes.net. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I just have always used their ropes and they work best for me. So this is a beaded rope. It is used for working out mainly, and I mostly use this one since I record videos. It shows up the best on videos since you can see it, and I like to put all different color beads on my rope. So the beads make the rope heavier, so it's better for workouts if you want to do some faster jumping or double unders. So the next rope, this is called a licorice rope or a plastic rope. And it's just a little plastic cable that's pretty flexible. And this is used more for doing like multiple unders and going faster and getting more tricks. You can do multiple unders like double unders and triple unders with the beaded rope, but it's heavier and this rope goes around you faster. And so it can get under you more times, and it makes multiple unders a little bit more simple. So these handles are short, and you can also get long handles. So what the long handles do is they make things like crossing easier. Because when you cross, you want to make sure the rope can get all the way around you. So with the handles being longer, it makes it easier so you don't have to cross as wide. The last rope I'm going to show you, this is called a speed rope, and it's made out of just wire. So if you do competitive jump rope, this is good for speed, double unders, triple unders. What speed is just like you running and alternating your feet. This, you can go super fast with it. See, like with the beaded rope, you wouldn't be able to get that speed and that momentum because it's so much heavier. It's better for a workout, but if you want to get a good score in competition, a lighter rope is much better. If you just like want to work out at your house or go to the gym, then I would recommend the beaded rope because it definitely gives your arms a better workout. But if you want to get a good number on how many jumps you can get in a certain amount of time, this is the rope to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn how to do some of those tricks that I demonstrated in this video, then look at my jump rope trick tutorials, and I break down all of these tricks and show you guys how to do them. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.